To make the lemon rice, something different. Normally, lot of people know how to make the lemon rice, but there is a different way of preparing. So, we will go through and see. Now see, this is the lemon rice that I have done, and this is the lemon mixture that I have done. So, we will see how this is done and what we could do with this. This is the beautiful lemon rice. No other special dishes coming with that. It's easy, nice to prepare. Come, we'll all get together and prepare this lemon rice. To make the lemon rice, we need the lemon mixture. Before we make the lemon rice, the mixture has to be done. No? So we will do the mixture. Watch how I am going to do the lemon mixture for the lemon rice. First thing I am going to do, put a little gingery oil. When it is warm, I will use, it's called tur dal. Roughly I am going to use about 50 grams. Chana dal we call it, tur dal, black dal. Stir frying. While I am stir frying the gingery oil, I will use a little ginger and garlic and crush this a little. Now we will use the ginger and garlic. Make a small space, about a teaspoon of mustard seed I will use. Curry leaves, a bit of salt, turmeric, 1 or 2 dried chilies. We need dried chilies later, but I will put now a little. Last of all, I'll use a little vinegar. I told you that we are going to do it in a different way so that we will keep this. So if I am going to keep for some time, what I will do is, I will put a little lemon juice now and keep it. This is how you do it. I have placed in a glass bowl, not in a plastic bowl, glass bowl, and I have covered, and I am going to keep this. For a day or two if I am keeping, it's okay, you can keep it out. If I am going to keep for a week or 2 weeks, leave it in the fridge. Whenever you are going to make the lemon rice, you can use this. Now I am going to do the lemon rice. The rice is ready. Now what I am going to do is, again I will use a little gingery oil, because gingery oil is healthy, good, so we will use a little bit of gingery oil. Shredded onions, garlic, and we use a little curry leaves. We will see how it is done. Stir fry this. I will put the rice, cooked rice. I'll off the cooker for a little while, otherwise I won't be able to talk to you. So, the lemon rice. Now I have already put a little lemon into it, but generally you should not, either you put the lemon and keep it, if you are going to keep for a week or so, otherwise at that moment you can put the lemon, right? The lemon could be used at that time. Now we will put this mixture. Now this is for 2 times I can use, so I will use half and I'll keep the other half. Another time I have to do it. So now into this, I didn't put salt into the rice or anything, so I will put the salt now, and I prefer to use a little, pink salt is nice to use, otherwise sea salt use. Either pink salt or sea salt you can use, it's good and healthy also if you use that. Asafoetida powder, that is also good and healthy, so we can use a little of the powder. So that is, I will dish it out. The lemon rice, so that we can have. Now the rice is ready, but we are not going to finish with that. We'll see what we are going to do. Potatoes. I have taken potatoes. What I did was I cut into small pieces, water and kept it, otherwise what will happen? The color will change. All that water should dry up. After the water dries up, either you use gingerly oil or the normal oil. It's stir fry, so more frying I am going to do. Cinnamon is nice to use. Cloves. These are healthy and good to use. Say about 3 or 4 cloves. Now I am going to use the onions. This will take a little time to fry, so I will use the onions also. I don't want to put too much of oil. This oil is enough. We just stir fry a little more. A little dry chilies. I don't want the seeds. Last of all, I am going to put a little coriander leaves. If you like, you can use a little mint leaves. I want this to get stir fried. So the potatoes, mainly I want that to get stir fried, right? So we will see how it is. The lemon rice to serve with. On top of it only I am putting. We are going to serve like this. We'll serve with a little coriander leaves we have put. So we will use a bit of mint leaves for the flavor. Now is the time for us to have this. This is the lemon rice. It's nice to have. You also can try it out. This rice, tasty rice, you can prepare. All of you can do it and see how it comes. I would love you to try out and see how it comes, right? And you know, when you want to watch all my programs, you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, and you get all my recipes, and I am waiting for you all to try it out and see how it comes. Next week with another recipe I will come back. Till then, bye from me now.